Hey team, today we're going to take a look at the retention section in the generations area of the Systems Accelerator Manager. It's very similar to the conversions and the operations. Again, just some different pieces that we can focus in on. For this specific one, let's go ahead and build a newsletter, some content. Maybe we have a monthly newsletter that we're looking to build for Cody, the specific team member in his first-time homebuyer niche, with his writing style or member voice, and then the objective. We can click in here, refine it. And then once we get all of that filled out, go ahead and hit that begin. System's going to start thinking about all of these different pieces, and it's going to be ready to go. At this point, it may take a second, but it's going to fire back once it is done thinking about all of this stuff with those refining questions. These refining questions pre-filled out, just like all the other sections, but I encourage you don't just use the pre-filled out section. Again, I'm trying to be pretty quick for this tutorial to save you guys a little bit of time. So I'm not going to go through each of these, but I do encourage you to do that. Once all of these answers sound great and you really like them, go ahead and hit that continue button, and it's going to start thinking about all of the answers. It's going to think about all the questions. It's going to compile that into the specific resource that we're looking to build. And then it's going to reference our profile settings so that it really knows the best it can about us, can create that really custom to us resource that we're able to use for this newsletter content. Once it's done thinking, then it's going to go ahead and give us that first draft. This is not bad. One thing that you might want to do with this newsletter is edit, actually build out a little bit more of this content, creating it more robust. If we wanted to see what the system could do, we could expand all of that content. We're actually going to do that in a later tutorial, so I'll save that for now. But this is a really great example. I'm super excited for you guys to get into your retentions area and start seeing what you can build. Past client retentions is one of the easiest ways for us in real estate to really move the needle, because those past clients, they say 80% of the time, would love to work with you again. They just forget who we are. So this might move the needle for you, and I'm super excited. But I will see you tomorrow with another tutorial.